Hey guys, so myself Muhammad Amashik. This is Ankur Sahu and this is Manav Patel. So we are from semester 8, branch robotics and automation, and we have prepared a project. Whose name is autonomous grass cutting machine, means lawn mower. As you know, there are various lawn mowers available in the market. So as in market there are various grass cutting machines available, like solar grass cutting machine, and most of them are driven by the humans. So in this project we have made in such a format that it is autonomous, means we have GPS mapping in it so that the lawn is wholly cut easily.
आगे लेके जाना। हाँ ले जा ले।
So the working of this project is basically we have ESP32, we have motor driver, Raspberry Pi, GPS, relay, and we have cutting plates and encoder motor. So what basically this we have to do is we control the robot with the remote, and we basically do path planning of the whole lawn, and then the Raspberry Pi and GPS takes the coordinates of the whole path and then maps the whole path so that the whole lawn gets cut by this lawn mower. So the Manav is going to tell you the future aspects, its advantages and disadvantages.
The project has multiple future scopes and advantages and disadvantages too. For the advantages, it has multiple advantages such as it is time saving. It can consistently cut the grass. Plus, it is energy efficient and.
So guys, see, as Manav told advantages, and another disadvantage is that it requires human. Every time it requires human for operation, it requires power, and sometimes due to harsh and sometimes if obstacle come, it gets stops. So these are the disadvantages. And in the future scope, we can add solar panel to it. We can innovate in such a way that it will go cut and come back to its position. So this is Manav, Ankur and Ammar, and this is our lawn mower project, and thank you, signing off.